Fix Minecraft failed to log in. The authentication servers are currently not reachable on PC. 1. Check Minecraft server status. Check if Minecraft authentication servers are online. Wait if Mojang Microsoft servers are experiencing an outage. Try logging in again later. 2. Restart Minecraft launcher. Close the Minecraft launcher completely. End any Minecraft processes in Task Manager. Restart the launcher. Try signing in again. 3. Sign out and sign back into your Microsoft account. Log out of your Microsoft account in the launcher. Close the launcher. Sign back in with the correct account. Launch Minecraft. Number 4. Restart your internet connection. Restart your modem router. Use a stable internet connection. Avoid VPNs or unstable Wi-Fi. Try logging in again. 5. Disable VPN or proxy. Turn off any VPN or proxy service. Restart the launcher. Try connecting to Minecraft again. Patch 6. Allow Minecraft through Windows Firewall. Open Windows Defender Firewall. Allow Minecraft Launcher and Java through the firewall. Save the changes. Restart the launcher. Number 7. Flush DNS cache. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Flush your DNS cache. Restart your PC. Launch Minecraft again. 8. Update Minecraft Launcher. Install the latest Minecraft Launcher update. Restart your PC. Launch the updated version. 9. Check date and time settings. Open Windows Date and Time settings. Enable Set Time automatically. Sync the clock. Restart the launcher. Number 10. Reinstall Minecraft Launcher. Uninstall the Minecraft Launcher. Restart your PC. Download the latest version from the official Minecraft website or Microsoft Store. Sign in and